Hello everybody, this is Petey from BurgZerg Arcade at BurgZergArcade.net, and wow, it's been a while since I said that, isn't it? Well, anyway, here we are back again with another item system tutorial episode, and today I want to go ahead and add that little bottom bar. I guess it's kind of like a little status bar, maybe not quite a status bar. Let's just call it bottom bar. We go ahead and open up our little editor here. I want to put it down here and have it automatically scale just like everything else. So we're going to be using GUI layout. And maybe just have simple stuff. An add button that when we click it, will actually add a new one to our list. This is not the normal way I do it. Normally I have a state machine, so when I click an add button, the list view, which is usually on the side, gets grayed out and would get this content pane over here with, well, like we had before with the list stuff, where it's okay, now go ahead and select your well, basically this, just one of these. But since our quality database has so few elements in it, really there's only two things, three if you include the delete button, that we don't really need a lot of space. So I want to keep the list view, and I just want to click an add button and have it make an empty one, stick it at the bottom. That's it. And add a little thing over here maybe that says how many items are in the database. So that's pretty simple. So let's go ahead, we'll start doing that now. We'll start off by jumping into Visual Studio. We're in the right script, so I'm going to come down to, I guess, our GUI script right here. And we're going to need another function. And I'm just going to call it bottom bar. And it's private because nothing else needs access to it. And come up here, put it in. Bottom bar. And I'm also going to put the formatting up here as well. So GUI layout dot. We want the bar to be spread across the bottom, so it's a horizontal bar. I'm going to stick with that box style. And I want it to expand the full width of the screen. So GUI layout dot expand width. We set that to be equal to true. Close that off. And of course, remember, when we have something that begins, we need an end. GUI layout and horizontal. There we go. That way there. We don't need any of the styling code down here. So bottom bar. We got this bottom bar. All we really need now is, let's see, our count. Add button. So count's pretty simple. We can just make it a GUI layout dot label. We'll have a string. And that string is going to be appended with the quality database at dot count. And what do we want as a kind of a heading for it? Qualities colon items. Well, let's just do qualities for now. Call it what you want. So it's going to say like qualities 2 or something like that. So that was pretty simple. Next will be the add button. So we're going to have an if block. And inside here, we just want a GUI layout dot button. And whoops, what do we want this button to say? We'll just say add. That's good enough. So when this button's added, all we're going to do is just add another one to the list. So quality dot database dot add. Do we have an overload for add? Nope. Let's see if we had it. We don't have an insert, do we? Well, let's just add it to the end. We can worry about inserting stuff in a later video when we start working with, I guess, more robust databases. But for now, we just want to add a new item. And really, that should be it. We might want to add some styling. Again, just read up on a lot of the GUI layout stuff on the Unity's website. There's just so much. So here we go. We got our bar at the bottom. It scales. Now we might want to set a max width for this. I think this is fine. But all right, we'll go ahead. We hit it. It adds one. It's an empty one. Maybe we should have Well, let's see if we click here. It added it. Try to delete it. We can still delete it. It should behave just like any other one. There's something we were working on with a name before, where if it didn't have a name, we wanted to do something. I don't remember exactly what that was. But yeah, we can delete them if we don't want them. Of course, the default option is to delete. So yeah, there we go. We've added our little bar at the bottom. I wanted to do that today, but we just ran out of time before I had to go pick my son up. But anyway, there we go. A nice, quick, little, short, simple one. I'm going to tag that onto the videos for today. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Now, if you actually like the series and it's really helping you out, go ahead and think about giving me a thumbs up on this video, as I really do appreciate it. It lets me know how much you actually like these videos. Of course, don't forget to share them on your social media sites, as the more people watching the videos shows me that there's just a lot of interest in these video types. Again, thanks. Bye-bye.